So on my last shoot, we had two Sony Venice 2 and we had to do the thing like we set up one camera with all the settings and then we copy all the settings from this camera to the other Sony Venice 2 camera. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that as well. So let's just jump into it. So first of all, turn on your camera, do all the settings which you want, and then once you're done with the settings, you need to have an SD card. You need to put it in under the record button on Sony Venice 2. And then once it's there, the first thing which you should do is you should format the card. So I'll long press the menu button, go to full menus. I will go to timecode media, I will go to format media, and I'll go to SD card and I'll format it. Once I'm done with formatting, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back, and now what I will do is I will go to project and I will go to all file and I will say save SD card. If you want to save it on SD card, you will say save SD card, and if you want to load one preset from the SD card, you should click on load SD card. So I will say save SD card, and you have 16, I believe. No, you have more. So I will save it on the first one and I will say run. Now if I want to load it, I will go back. Let's say it's the other camera. Now I will go to the project again. I'll go to the all file, load SD card, and there it is. You can see, you can click on it and run it. After that, your camera will turn off and turn on. Now one more thing which you should be very careful about is like if this camera was A, on the other camera where you load the same settings, you need to make sure that you change the real name. So to do that, what I will do is once it's on, I will go to the menus by long pressing the menu button, and then I will go to my timecode media, and here clip name format, I will change it to B. It's already B, so if it was A, it should be B, and if it's the third camera, it should be C and D and all the way like this. Now I hope that this video was helpful for you. I have done many other helpful videos about Sony Venice 1 and Sony Venice 2. In case you want to see them, you can click on them and watch those. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.